Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've done the basics, now jump into Apple Music. First, make sure your signed in and sync library is on so playlists save across devices. Open the Browse tab and the For You tab simultaneously. These are your discovery hubs. Start sampling 30-60-second clips of playlists you like and tap the heart or follow icons. This trains recommendations. Once done, note any curator names or playlist titles you like for deeper search and follow them immediately. Now you'll dig deeper. Search with combined keywords like genre, mood, and year to narrow results. For example, type Lo-Fi Chill 2019 and scan playlists. Make sure to check the curator name. Apple curated lists differ from niche label or influencer playlists. Preview 3 to 5 tracks to verify the vibe and sequencing before following. Also create a temporary playlist of favorites to compare flow. This helps you judge whether a candidate playlist consistently fits your listening. Finish by following and downloading the playlists that passed your checks so they are available offline and added to For You signals. Curate a personal playlist from saved songs to keep control. Update it weekly to refine recommendations. Make sure you follow curators to get future releases. If playlists don't update or disappear, toggle sync library off then on, check for app updates, and sign out and back in. That usually forces a resync and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.